Hi everyone, this is Craig Felipe and welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be talking about me continuing to learn about using my drone to do videos and photography. If you have watched my previous videos on this channel, then you will know that just over a month ago I got myself a Mavic, just like the one that you're looking at in the picture. It's a Mavic or a Mavic 1 because there's now a Mavic 2, and that has been the platform for me learning how to do video photography with my drone, and it has been a learning experience. In the latest in my latest adventure, what I did is that instead of making a music video as you've seen in my previous videos and other things with the family, I decided to chase a cruise ship and then film it over the ocean. Not a task for the weak of heart. So that's a challenge I took upon myself, and as you watch the video in a few seconds, you'll realize just how difficult it is, or it was for me, controlling the aircraft in those high winds and getting those shots off. I did make a lot of mistakes. Basically, I need to learn to handle the aircraft much better, especially in high wind conditions, fly as well as record and get rid of those sudden jerky movements of the camera. So it's a learning curve, but I'm getting there. But it's a process, and I'm sure that with what I've learned from this experience, I'll be a much better pilot and photographer using the drone. Before we go to the video though, I just like to mention that this aircraft that I bought, I'm giving this away. I want to give this away because this is just my platform for learning. Once I've gotten to a certain level, I intend to move on to a more professional drone, and I want to give this away. So at the end of the video, look in the description and find out how you can win this drone, okay? So let's go to the video.